Welcome back to DIY Automotive. In this video, we're going to be going over two very important tools for diagnosing vehicles. To start out with, a scan tool. It's very important if you're going to be diagnosing to have a scan tool. These things will range anywhere from $50 up to thousands of dollars, just depending on what your needs are. For most people, the $50 one, $50-ish ones, they're going to be all right for what you're doing. I'll post a link to one in the description. This one right here, I've had it 8 or 9 years, and I bought it used. That's the one I usually loan out when somebody's needing to borrow a scan tool. The only downside to the cheaper ones are that normally they'll only read your P codes, your engine codes. So if you've got ABS lights or transmission codes going on, the majority of the time they will not read them. But like I said, depending on what you're going to be doing, the cheaper one's probably going to be more suitable to your needs than the more expensive. The reason these are so important, especially on today's vehicles, are all the codes it throws. You wouldn't go to the doctor and just tell them you're hurting and expect them to fix your problem. Your vehicle's the same way. It's not running right. Say it's got a misfire, but you don't have any idea what area is causing this misfire. So, say for instance you was going to the doctor and your leg hurt. And you said, "Hey doc, I'm hurting." They don't know where to start. And it's going to be the same way in your vehicle. Scan tools, they don't actually give you the answers or tell you the exact problem, but they'll point you in the right direction. So that's the reason I feel it's very important to have one of these, or at least know someone that does. Another plus to this is that if your vehicle is running, it's just running poorly, a lot of your auto parts stores will scan your vehicle for free and give you the code. So that's kind of a plus there to save you some money. One of the next most important tools is going to be a test light. I can't tell you how many times I've had a vehicle brought to me having issues, and it be a bad fuse or a bad relay or just a bad connection somewhere. Test light is going to be a quick and simple, easy way to tell if you do have power there. I would recommend a high impedance test light, especially with all the new computers we've got on vehicles today. They'll help prevent you from causing damage. But something as simple as checking a fuse can take forever, or you can miss a bad fuse if you don't have something like a test light. A multimeter, it'll work just as well. Test light is usually quicker and easier for most people though. So that pretty much sums it up on this one. Didn't take too long, but just something to keep in your thoughts. Test light and a scan tool. You need to know where your problem is if you're going to be trying to fix it. You don't want to just throw parts at your vehicle and waste a bunch of money just hoping you're getting it right. So hopefully that'll kind of help you out. Like I said, I'll post some links down in the description so y'all can find the tools that I would recommend or that I would use on a budget. And if you found this useful, drop me a like and comment. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and if you've got any kind of constructive criticism or feedback, I'd like to hear it. I'm here to help y'all and hopefully teach y'all and help save you some money. So anyways, that'll be it for this video. Thanks.